All right, good day everyone. I greet you and I welcome you guys to today's video. Today, this video is about my P&L for the month. Like you all know, those of you that have been following me, you know I document my P&L every month on this channel. So this is episode 6 of my P&L for the month. The month of March just ended, so I'm going to show you guys the P&L for the month of March. So I don't want to waste anybody's time today, so I'll just take you guys to the chart direct and show you guys the trade I took for the month of March and the wins, the loss, everything. So let's go to my charts. All right, guys. So this is April. If you look at this chart, you will see that I haven't taken any trade for this month of April. Today is third, and so far I haven't taken any trade. Today is Friday. I still have a setup I'm looking at to see if I will see any trade today. Let me just brief you guys a little before we jump into the video. This is my setup. This is the trade, the setup I was looking to take yesterday, but at some point I wanted to enter this trade with confirmation. But when the confirmation happened, I was not on the chart, so the market left me. Before I came to the chart, this is the candle that just opened, and this candle have tested that my point of interest already, and it's pushing up. It was still here at that time, so we're just floating here. So I set my pending order, and at the end of the day, this market moved. And so, but if you look at this market, this price action, now you will see that after this market mitigate this FVG, this mitigation is supposed to take out this high, or probably this high, this overall high that I'm targeting. So that is the work of this mitigation. So I'm looking at this price action, I'm looking at it very closely to see what happens. If this mitigation, this one, the mitigation here, this supply, the one that is weak mitigated, if this mitigation is not able to break below this internal range here, is not able to break below this low, then I'll be expecting this market to play around here and then push up. But if this mitigation break below this low, then I'll be looking for a sell to take out this low. This place, this my point of interest here. I'll be looking for a mitigation, a supply mitigation to take out that low. So I'm looking at the setup closely to see what happens. So that is the only setup I might see today. And today being Friday. I don't know, because I don't want to hold trade for over the weekend. So I'll just keep on looking at it and see what happens. So let's go back to my P&L. Let's go to the month of March. Yeah, this is March. So if you look at it, you will see that I took total of 3 trades for the month of March. And you can see, looking at it, you already know I have 2 losses and 1 break even. 2 losses on US 30, 1 break even on NAS 100. I'm beginning to like NAS 100 more than US 30. I don't know why. So this is the setup. You can see the trade was cleanly executed, but then market does what you want to do. So this is the trade after it has played out. So let's go to the second trade. This is the second trade. You can see all my setups are almost the same thing. Almost the same thing. So this is it. Let's go to the last one. So this is it. This trade took time. So I broke even I think I have the video on this channel. I think it's last week video. I think, yeah. So it took time. So at night around 10, 11, I break even on this trade and then sleep, waking up to see that the market has already stopped me out and it's pushing down. So that is it. That is it for this month. And if you look at my confirmation, we see that it's almost the same thing: inducement, breakup, structure, order block. Same thing: inducement, breakup, structure, order block, inducement, market structure shift, order block. And all my trade, I took them on New York session, all of them, all of them. This one open and close 1:30, 2 o'clock. So within 30 minutes, I'm already out of that trade. That's already hitting my stop loss. So the second one I took by 4 o'clock and took me out by 9 o'clock in the night. So the last one I took by the same time. So that is it for the month of March. I'm loving this trading journey, the process. The process is something else. You know, I'm loving the journey. Before I used to take a lot of trades. In a month, I might take like 15, 20, 25, 30 trades. And at the end of the day, I'll be down. I'll have wins and losses. And at the end of the day, you'll be seeing minus 4%, 5%, down 6%, 7%. Sometimes it favors me though, taking a lot of trade, and you take a lot of chances, you know. And sometimes I will come out with massive percentage, like I've had 17 RR, you know, at the end of the month. But this system that I'm trading, even while back testing, the highest it has given me is 5 trades in a month. In fact, some months I only see 1 trade for the whole of that month. And at the beginning, it was like I can't be able to do it, sitting and just take 1 trade in a month. But following that system, following my system, has taught me that I can do it. In fact, currently now, I can stay for like 2 months without placing a single trade. The only thing I will do to satisfy myself is to make sure any day that is my trading day, I come to the chart, analyze the chart, and then wait for my setup. I am okay waiting for my setup from morning to night. If I don't see it, fine and good, and I will repeat the same thing tomorrow. As long as I'm doing that, as long as I'm coming to the chart to look for my setup, I'm okay. If I don't see the setup, I'm totally fine with it, and I can sit. I'm telling you, I can sit for 2-3 months without even taking a trade, and I won't bother. That is the honest truth for now. So I'm starting to like to have fun with this journey. Look at the last month, I took just 3 trades, and this 3 trade was within third month, third week, and fourth week. The third week, I took 1 trade, and that trade was on Tuesday, which was a loss. Let me go to the chart though. Okay, the first trade was on Wednesday, first week, which is on 18th. You see, then on the third week of March, I took the second trade on Tuesday, and then Wednesday. This is on the fourth week, the last week of March, which is last week. I took this trade on Tuesday and then Wednesday, which is Thursday, Friday. I didn't see any other setup. You see, this is how simple it has become for me to navigate the months. And this is when I look back from how I traded before, it's just amazing. I know I'm not having any wins yet, but with this pattern, with this system I'm following now, if after arranging my system and becoming profitable. I know, I will know, and I will believe myself that I can do this for long term. That is the goal. To be here for a very long time. That is the goal. So I'm liking this journey. We just started the month of April, and I haven't taken any trade yet. I haven't taken one single trade. And normally first week I don't see any trade. If you check my journal, if you check, everything is on this channel. If you check my weekly video, you will see that first month I don't see, for like from January till now, first week of the month, I don't see any setup. Second week is by luck. I only see my setup from third week and fourth week. That is it. Sometimes it's the fourth week. So we keep going. So this is my P&L for this week. Total of 3 trade, 2 loss, 1 win, which means I lost 2% of my account last month. I've been trading this account for the longest, even though I'm risking 1% on each trade. I've been trading this account now for the longest. So let me just show you guys the monthly results. So you will see the total of trade I've taken from January till now and the results, everything. So let me go to, okay, yeah, monthly results. And you can see this is 2026. This is January, this is February, this is March. I have documented everything already. So on the month of March, I took 3 trades. I have 2 losses, I have 0 win, and I have 1 break even. And that is minus 2% for the month. For the whole of March, I lost 2%. February, I took 5 trades, but I still lost 2%. Then on January, I lost 4%. That has been my highest loss for this year. I haven't had any winning months yet. I know the winning months are coming. So let me go to total trades, I think. Yeah. So total trade for the year 2026. If you look here, you will see the year 2026, and my total trade is 13 trade. I have 5 trade on January, 5 trade on January, 5 trade, February 5 trade, which equals 10 trade, then March 3 trade. So 3 plus 10 is 13. So from the month of January, February, March, I've taken 13 trade so far. That is it. We are done for the month of March. I believe month of April will be a better month. I believe so. And this is my birth month. My birthday will be on 7th of April. So let's keep the ball rolling, and I will catch you guys in the next video, which is next month on this particular episode. So if it's your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to tune in every week. I document my journey, my full trading journey on this YouTube channel. So if you want to see how I'm doing, my weekly improvement, my weekly trading, just tune in, subscribe, to the channel, join the family, turn the notification bell on, so that once I drop my video, you will be the first to get that notification. So I will catch you guys in the next one, and wishing you guys a happy weekend and a profitable week ahead. I'll be dropping my weekly video, I think by tomorrow. Today is Friday, so I'll be doing that video by tomorrow, being Saturday, and it will drop that tomorrow before 3 o'clock p.m. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.